Today I created a few Christmas ornaments using small jars. They are vintage. I filled them with the glitter and mica, a little silver star, and a miniature bottle brush trees. I glued a mini tree inside the bottle. Glue the star in place. I added some glitter and mica mixed that I purchased at Frank Garcia Studio. I hot glued the ornament on top of the jar. I used a wide copper tape and wrapped it around the neck of the bottle. Burnished. I used gel flax and lead-free solder. I finished the ornament, adding some rhinestone chain that I previously patinaed. And I used my favorite glue, 3-in-1, to attach the rhinestone chain.